My name's Barbara Nanshe. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Stay with me for the next couple of minutes while I take you through some of my new pieces in the new collection of earrings. A new collection must have a focus. So I move the things that I've made and the things that I've collected onto trays. So this is where I begin. So I play with the elements until I come across what I'm looking for. To the design. So this one includes an old Zodiac Gemini from the 70s and several amounts of gems, some solid 9-carat gold and some rolled gold, 18 rolled gold wire, amber. It's really important that I make the parts that will go onto your body or in your ears in this case as sterling silver or gold. It's very important that all my elements are sturdy, strong and well made so that my work will last a lifetime. So this is mostly amethyst and sterling silver with a couple of little garnet beads. Beautiful movement. Green is also one of my favourite colours. So this is all adventuring and sterling silver. It may become clear to you now why I love collecting pieces from past times. These would not have the same feel without that 1920s piece of marquisite watch. They just would not be the same. I hope you enjoyed just that little snippet of information about the way I make my work. My collections are limited. All of my collections are limited. So snap them up because when they're gone, they're gone. And if you have any questions about my work, please feel free to send me a line, do a chat on the front of the store, come into my shop in the City Arcade, or give me a call.